What's up, guys? Good morning. Sorry I couldn't be there with you. I have a lot of things to take care of at home before testing this week. You have some things you need to take care of right now before you leave the class today. So let's get this started. Let's go right over to Logic. Here I have my music, right? By now you should have a fully produced track in Logic based on the tutorials that I gave you in the drag and drop playlist. So you already know that if you press the letter C, it's going to turn on the cycle bar. See that yellow bar? C on the keyboard. Okay, what you want to do is you want to set your cycle bar from the beginning to the end of your song. So I'm going to press the letter C. See how I can go in the corner. I'm going to make sure that my cycle bar starts at the beginning, and then I'm going to drag this here. Another way you can do this is press the letter C to turn it off, and you can just drag it, like click and then drag across. You need to make sure that that cycle bar starts at the beginning of your song and ends at the end of your song. Okay, once you do that, there's two ways you can bounce an MP3. That's what we're doing right now. You can either go right here to bounce MP3. To bounce. See this button? See how it says bounce? If you bounce if you hold your mouse over it, you can click on that and it'll bring up this window, or you can press Command and then tap the letter B, and you're gonna get this window right here. Next, you want to make sure that you have MP3 checked. That box is checked. You want to click on this, click on the word, make sure that all of this is highlighted. Then you want to make sure that this is at 320, and you want to make sure that your bit rate is at 320 as well. Okay, 320, 320. Once you've done this, make sure that right here where it says mode, that it says offline, and then you hit OK. The next thing you need to do is put your first name and then intro to drag and drop. See, Mr. Old, intro to drag and drop. Once you've done that, hold Command, tap the letter D. That's going to send your MP3 to the desktop so it's easy to find. Watch this. So then next we're going to do is we're going to hit bounce. This is going to go through the process. It's going to bounce your MP3 really quickly, and then it's going to send it down to your desktop, okay? So if I close this out right now, look, there's my MP3. See it? Okay. Next thing we want to do is, by the way, you're not going to turn this into Schoology yet. You're just putting this on your desktop so that when I go to collect it, it's right there. All right. So the next thing you want to do is go to File right here. Make sure that Logic is selected. Logic Pro, File, Save Copy As. Hold Command, tap the letter D. And you need to name this the same thing. First name, intro to drag and drop, session. Then you're going to hold Command, tap the letter D, and this is going to send your session to the desktop. You need to have both a copy of your session and a copy of your MP3 on your desktop. When I see you, you need to have this on your desktop. All right, guys, have a great it's not even Friday. I'm about to say have a great weekend. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.